Hi again. In previous videos, we have seen Ari's purchase cycle. Now, in this video, I will show you how Ari's sales cycle works. The screen here represents two different flows of Ari's sales cycle. In the first one, sales order is created first, and with the reference of sales order, dispatch note is created to record dispatch of products. In the second flow, we can directly create the dispatch note document. So as per your company's flow, you can refer your section relevant to you. For this video purpose, we will follow the first flow as it covers everything. Now I will click here on create and Ari will direct me to sales order page. So I will select the customer from this drop down. Select any price list associated with this and select salesman preparing the document from this drop down. Now I will add a product. Let's say Titan Raga watch. Enter quantity as 5. And will provide a discount of 5%. We'll change this document status from draft to booked and then finally click on save. It says record saved successfully with document number. So from transactions, I will navigate to dispatch note. Again, select party from drop down, price list, and from sales order reference window, I will click here. I can see the document I have prepared earlier in sales order. So I'll check this box and click here on save. Now you can see the details in dispatch note details. So I will click here the stock point and enter the salesman name. Again, save, and it says record saved successfully. So in this way we have completed sales cycle. So now I will close this window and go back to our Ari's dashboard. I can click here on mark as done. And now you can see the progress bar has increased to 100%. So I will click here on done. And it says congratulations, enjoy your retail management with Ari. Now to keep using Ari, I can click here start your journey. So I can directly enter in my stores or company from here. In this way, we have completed all necessary masters of Ari. So thank you for watching these videos. Happy trading and enjoy using Ari. Thank you.